If you want to try bricks for free, just practice along for free, there is a way you can do it. They have a complete playground for that. And then once you've made up your mind and you think this is something you want to do, let's talk about premium, and I'll show you what I'll be doing with the local WordPress setup. Hop on over to Bricks Builder and you can follow the link in the description below. At the top in the right corner, you will see there's the option to try bricks. What this is going to do is create an environment in which you can work within WordPress for free, trying bricks. Of course, it's not a live website and it's just for practice. Sign up here, create your account. I've already done it. I'll go ahead and log in. Once you log in, you will see the WordPress environment. What is important here is that you notice here in the top right corner, this is actually a multi-site. So what the bricks developers are doing, they are giving you access to their multi-site and then creating a WordPress sandbox for you to play around in. This is the one that I previously tried. All I do is click on it and you'll be getting one as well. And from here, note that it works just like anything else in WordPress. You can create pages, you can set it up, you can view it, and then you go ahead and you edit it in bricks. And if you don't know how to do that, we'll do that in the next coming tutorials. I just played around a little bit here. And that's how you work in the free sandbox environment. This is different than your bricks account. This is the sandbox environment, the playground, where you can go and try bricks. That is the try option. You've tested it, you like it, so you want to buy it, and then you go to get bricks. This is maybe a scare the first time you see the pricing, but it is competitive to the market. However, there is the ultimate lifetime option, which few page builders nowadays offer. Big important thing to take note of here is that bricks do not run specials on the ultimate lifetime. In fact, if you think you're going to wait until Black Friday and you come back to see if the unlimited website's ultimate lifetime is on a discount, the price may have increased. This gradually increases over the years as more functions are added. So if you have a website that you want to do in bricks and you're going to run it for 10 years, you make the calculation. 79 times 10, it's $800. Go for this one. If you're going to create more than one website, 3 plus more, then unlimited is the way to go. Unless you really just want to try it for a year and you're not sure, then yep, this is the way you have to go. And there's a 60-day money back guarantee. So once you do that, you go ahead, you click Get Ultimate. This is what I will do. And you sign up and you create your account. Inside your account, you're going to have access to the latest bricks theme that you can download, licenses, as well as managing your sites. We'll look at that a little bit more in the upcoming tutorials. One quick note from my side is that while I'm working, I'll be using this platform called Local. It used to be Local by Flywheel. It had different names. Local is a way that you can practice WordPress for free on your computer. It's not hosted anywhere else in the world. It's right there on your computer. So it's basically not live, but it's a great place for you to try, and it's for free as well. So you can follow the link in the description below. If you already have bought bricks or any other page builder that you want to practice in WordPress and you just want to see how it will work, then you can migrate it later if you want to make it a live website. There's also hosting options, but I just want to show you I'll be using Local. And how I will do that is I'll go here to the plus, add a local site, and then I will say bricks 2026. I'll call it M1, bricks 2026 M1. Continue, and then it's just going to ask me for a username. And I'll give it my regular password. That if you figure this out, my life is gone. And then sign up. And that's it. After this, it's going to just ask permission to install it on my computer. And this is less than a minute that this whole setup takes. And from here, I'll just make a few changes to make sure it runs the way that I would like it to run. That is really quick. A few things, like I said, I want to change here. I'm going to say to trust the SSL. Even though you trust it and you approve it, it's still going to say that the site is not safe. But remember, it's a local site, so it's not a big deal. For the PHP version, I'll just go to the 8.5 latest and I'll say apply. And this will quickly install the latest PHP version. You don't know what PHP version is? Just update it. And then I like this option, one-click admin. When you select this, it will automatically open the page with you as the admin. You don't have to log in. Next, click on WP admin here, and it's going to open in your default browser the WordPress installation. And that's it. In a jiffy, I have created this. From here, I do the regular thing. I'll just clean up a little bit. I'll go to my posts and I'll delete hello world. And then I'll say empty bin. Go to my pages, do the same here, bulk delete. Bulk actions, what do I want to do here? Move to bin and apply. Same thing, go to my bin, empty bin. And then plugins, there should be nothing. And if we go to settings, permalinks, because it's set up with local, it's already put to the post name here, so no changes I have to make here. I want to change a few other things like the time and the name and the site icon, but we're going to do that in a final chapter for this module 1. We are ready now with WordPress to get bricks and install it.